Hi guys, how are you all doing? I hope you're all doing fabulous. It's Lindsay Love here and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm excited to share with you another unboxing, and this time it's from Shenzhen Tianya Packaging Company. Yes guys, this is somewhat different because usually when I do unboxing I would tell you what's inside the box, but this time it's something else. First, I would like to show you what it is, and then we'll go through all the descriptions about this Shenzhen Tianya Packaging Company. So, recently I received a package through Amazon, and of course, courtesy of Shenzhen Tianya Company. All right, guys, so let's check out what's inside. So I chose a jewelry gift set from them, guys, and as you can see, it comes in this secured plastic bag that is like a ziplock, okay, to make sure that this one won't move and open during shipment. All right guys, so let's check this out. So as mentioned, Shenzhen Tianya is a company that is aware of the fact that custom printing products are vital for every businesses, guys. So they make sure that our printing products make food packaging, beauty box, hat box, jewelry box, electronic packaging, hair boxes, chocolate box, shipping boxes, corrugated box are all in good shape when you receive it. Because why? That's their expertise, guys. They offer a wide variety of other products, as well as which also include bags, hangers, envelopes, and a lot more. So going back to this one, guys, I'm excited for you to see this. So this is a jewelry gift box. This one, it looks so nice, guys. So in here is the sticker of the company that sells the jewelry, okay? But we are talking about the gift box, guys. That is made by Tianya. And as you can see, it comes with this nice ribbon here where we can pull this box so that we can easily take out the product from inside the box. There it is, guys. So inside the box is like that, but of course you can always customize your own gift boxes, okay? So this jewelry pieces, guys, it's necklace with 2 earrings. So it's a heart-shaped jewelry gift set, and Tianya packaged this one, guys, in this beautiful box, and inside we can see it's like a cushion that protects this jewelry from moving around. And this one, guys, has a velvet texture. I don't know if you can see it. I'll move it closer. And as you can see, like, the thickness of this material is just right to keep this earrings secure. This box really complements the beauty of this jewelry set. So Tianya, guys, they pack stylish and sophisticated necklace gift boxes for weddings, anniversaries, birthdays, etc. And if you want to have a beautiful necklace box, come to Setinya to customize it. They also provide, guys, fast delivery on high quality printed boxes for everyone from entrepreneurs to small businesses and large corporations. In fact, they serviced clients from local startups to global brands. So for all your gift boxes needs, guys, like food packaging, gift boxes, beauty box, clothing box, jewelry box, electronic packaging, packaging boxes, paper boxes, corrugated boxes, shipping boxes, just go to Tinya. I will put the link in the description below, guys. So just check their website, check the YouTube reviews about them, aside from my video, of course. And don't forget also to check the new products that they have. You can contact them, guys, by calling them through their hotline, and also you can email them. You can also check out their address if you want to mail them directly. So that's it from me, guys. Thank you, Tinya, for this beautiful gift box that you sent me. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Stay safe, stay well, stay happy. Till next time. Bye.